condition. Now it's good, guys. Hello guys, how are you? Everything? Let me check. The quality is great also, and the delay is of 3-4 second, I guess. No, it's more delay. Let me reduce the delay a bit. Customization. Okay. Okay. So hi guys, how are you? Welcome to our stream. How's everything going? How was your weekend? Hello. Just let me check from my phone everything is alright, then I'll let you know. Then we'll start. We'll have some views, people joining. So let's start. So we have people joining already. So how are you guys? How's everything? Everything is running smoothly. And let me fix, like, I guess the noise is sorry, the audio is less audible right now, so now I have fixed that also. So how am I sounding right now? How- okay, so let's start with the stream today now. And okay, settings, stream output, third, 500. Okay. So now we have changed the bitrate also as requested by YouTube, but everything is fine now. Let's go. So today we are looking at Ethereum and Bitcoin chart again, and we'll look at the, and here's the Bitcoin taking rejection at a 1 hour time frame. So and here we can enter some quantity, like this is, I'll let you know. Okay, open short, confirm, yeah, and this is our SL. Okay, pretty big. Let me go to 15 minutes time frame and see. We have a good candle like rejection from the golden zone as we discussed in the previous video, and here's an order block 2 at the, so this is an order block also. Sorry, and wait, I'll mark it. So it's a bearish order block also, and market has tapped its area and has taken rejection now. And this is our plan for, market is bullish, we should not go against the trend, I know, but this is a like a minor scalp for, like we can go till here on hourly time frame. So let's go at 15 minutes, then we'll check at the 5 minutes time frame. And market has also taken liquidity from this area. If we mark this, so market has also taken liquidity here, and it's not very good scenario currently, but we'll see. If market breaks 92,630, will take a small SL, but the plan is good, and the market has break this also, like this fair value gap. I'll also tell you about the trade we took on Sunday, that we got $7,000 move captured. So let me see, wait a second. And also the market has taken liquidity from this zone also. Market is, can do like this, and what's our entry at 5 minutes, so we are below this point. Yes, so yeah, this would be the right. Dun, dun, dun. Can market take rejection from this area also? Let market take a little bit of rejection, then we can add some more quantities in this. It's taking rejection. Let's see. Okay, let it break this level. Let it break, and we can add some quantities. Okay. Oh no, sorry. And the last cell will be above this area now. Now let it close this area. Let it below, go below. New 5-minute candle, and if market breaks this, we're gonna cut the trade, because here it is our fib zone, and if market does not respect this, then we are gonna cut this trade. Okay, and as per our market is and on 5 minutes, this is a minor rejection zone, which we can see if we see from here. Okay, this is the zone. You don't need trend line, okay. And okay, it's okay. So this was the plan. It was making a inverse head and shoulder. So it made an inverse head and shoulder, and here it was. Yes. Okay. Market can come to this point like this, and now this, and take liquidity from here, and then go down side. So here it gave liquidity. From here it took liquidity, and this was support, and then it went bullish. So let it come to our area and tap in the zone, and then we can finally see some selling for scalping. this is also a one. For a small scale. Let's go. TP over here. Okay, okay, okay. See the area marked here. Let it go, let it go. Okay, okay. And here we go. Small profit, but profit is profit, so it's good. Mark the levels and the trade reversed from there only. level. Let me take liquidity from here and then we can see. Below this candle, small SL. And after this trade, we will talk about, guys, the trade we took on Telegram channel about the. I'll show you which trade I'm talking about. This trade, the trade we took on Sunday of $7,000, guys. So that is going to be like crazy educational video where you can learn like how did we mark the level, about everything, the resistance zone, order block zone, fair value gaps, and liquidity sweep, change of character, everything. So once you get to know about that, and definitely it will improve your knowledge of, improve your trading style, and help you understand. Okay, the market took us out. Okay, so this is just I am like for fun. So like basically I'm not currently trading seriously. It's just I'm here to give you education, get some views, and like gather audience, like build a community that can we can build together and help each other to grow. And basically from tomorrow also, like on today and tomorrow, we are gonna be actively giving education and everything in the chat. So like for our viewers, everything, it will be good. 123. Okay. Ah, just give me a second, I'll refresh everything and then we can start again. Guys, why is the market kicking us out and then moving in the same direction that we are planning to trade? But no worries, we'll get some like now we are going to get serious and definitely take trade seriously. And I'm not sure what's happening to YouTube, guys. I'm not able to see anyone joining, any likes, nothing. So if you are joining, please comment, please do reply in the chat section, and then we can. Okay, we have one chat rate and 2 viewers, so it's fine. Like now we can see like people are joining. So let's go, guys. So let me tell you about the trade we took on Sunday. So I'll be quick and let me delete this first and I'll show you the trade we took on Sunday, and that was also given with all the members in the community. Like they are very less now, but definitely something is better than nothing. And definitely if people are making money, then there's no problem. And this is just for educational purpose, guys. So I'm not giving you like you have to trade with me, you have to buy or sell the things I do. It's just for the stream is for educational purpose. I am here to provide you education. Like I'm not a mentor or something kind of like that. I'm just here with you guys. I I'm just here to share the knowledge with you that I have gained from past 4 years, like trading 4 years. So this is only going to be like educational videos and everything. My videos, my strategy, everything I'll share with you guys, so you guys can know. Just a second. So let's go. So I'll tell you like why did we take this trade and how did we plan to capture $7,000 fall in Bitcoin. It was around 8,000, but we captured 7,000 and it was good. Like we are not here to eat everything in the sea. Like just take what is meant to be ours, trade according to plan and capture how much you can capture and then like leave. Nobody can capture from, I'll tell you, from this exact point. If we say for example to this point, like exact point $16,000 move, and then again from here somebody is catching move till here, then they are selling from this zone till here. So like you cannot capture a perfect trade. It's like always like you cannot capture like every move and every trade from the starting point to the ending point. So it's like you have to just get what fills your plate and eat it, and then look for bigger fish in the sea, because the market is running 24 hours. You can trade anytime. And even if you capture like $100 to 300 $500 move in Bitcoin per day, you are getting enough profits. You are making like, it depends upon your quantity sizing, lot sizing. So if you are taking like small lots also and capturing $500 move, you are making good money. Like in 0.01 lot also, you are making around $5 if the Bitcoin falls or shoots up $500. So you make $5, and $5 is pretty, like for beginners it's good amount. Like if you are unemployed, you have nothing, you spend on nothing, you are just trading and saving up. So $5, $10 per trade profit is great. And compounding is the king, so you have to compound and compound, and definitely that will help. So let's come to the BTC chart, and I'll show you just a second. So this is the Bitcoin chart. So like when we, just a second, we don't need description. So let's go. So let me come to the daily time frame first and let me show. So this was a order block, bullish order block, and the market took support from this zone, and then I'll tell you like why it took resistance from here. So if we delete these lines also, it would be clear. Like let me delete everything. So let's just mark that so we know about the trade. So let me tell you like how we managed to plan the trade and everything. So the market gave a sharp fall and it was falling, and market gave a little pullback, and this was on a 4-hour time frame. If we go, this was a sell zone. This is a pretty good sell zone, and it is a order block here, point of interest, area of interest, whatever you want to say you can say. And this is like market will react to this area. Even if you see the first time market gave a fall from here, the market tapped this area second time and third time and fourth time here, and this time also it was like nearby. So I'll tell you like why we didn't wait for it to come at this level and plan the trade. So the market, like this is the order block at 4-hour level. Market is going to tap this area, and there is going to be selling. So after this we will look for and another sell zone like this. This is the another order block. Okay, so this is another order block, and this was a big on bigger time frame. It is on 1-hour time frame. uh, 1-hour OB. So for you it will be easy to understand, and we can change its color also. Wait, so this is an 1-hour time frame order block, and market gave a sharp fall from here also, and then consolidated and came back in this zone area and tapped this area, grabbed the liquidity from this high. Like if you see, this is a minor swing, that is a liquidity sweep, which we call this, and market took liquidity from this zone. And after that market gave rejection from this area. So we go to 15 minutes time frame. Now we know the market has taken rejection, gave a sharp fall, and also now it's consolidating. This was a consolidating, like on Sunday it was consolidating. So now we tapped, marked our, I'll now show you, like now you guys know this area. So now this is the order block. This is the order block, and this is a fair value gap. We have a fair value gap here on 15 minutes time frame, and also we have one here. So we've marked this also as a fair value gap. So when market tapped this area, like consolidating whole day, market break this also, like showed a little change of character kind of thing. Market break this also, and then market after taking liquidity from here, market tapped our fair value gap zone, like 15 minutes fair value gap zone. And when market entered this, market tapped it and took a rejection, and we switched to 5 minutes time frame. So as market tapped this zone, showed a 5-minute bearish candle confirmation, another second candle confirmation, the third candle was like indecision. So if the market has to go up, it will go up from here only. And we marked like this zone, like if markets come below like this level, the second candle, low of the second candle, then we will enter the trade. So market third candle went well. Market on the fourth candle came down to this level, it tapped this area, we entered this trade. And like if we entered this trade, and then market was consolidating like for the whole night, and I'll tell you for how long it has been consolidating from this zone. So we see like 9 hours the market like clearly consolidated. Our first target was on 15 minutes time frame, this zone. Like if the market breaks this zone, we'll trail our stop loss to this area, like break even. The market did that, and after that our second target was this, like 90,000 was our target. Like we will book all of the quantity here, but if the market is, I was sure like after market breaks 91,000 level, like this level, we can see a sharp fall till 90,000, and like after 90,000 there's no major support right now, so we can see a sharp fall. So the market did not respect any zones after that, and gave a sharp fall, and we did not capture like with full quantity. Here we exited. Here we did the trade at break even, okay, and at this loose level. And the second area was this, where we exited like in this zone. If I talk about, I exited like most of the quantities like this $700 move. I exited around like 70% of the quantity, and 20-30% was left. So we holded 20-30%, and we trailed our SL like every on, every candle. Like if the market comes at this point, like at this market broke this, we trailed our SL to this above candle upper point. Market break this, we come at this point, we trailed our SL here. And when market started falling, trailing, keep trailing like this. Again fall, trail. Even if you trail to this candle, the market did not cross this level, so our 3SL could hit, and market came, fall, and this became a major support zone and resistance zone also. The market came and tapped this area and gave our target. Like I was holding, like at this point it was like 10% quantity only, and exited it, and it went really great. So I'll give you an overview about this trade, like really quick now. So let's go. So this was a trade. Market on 1 hour time frame in Bitcoin. This was the order block, and let's remove this also, so we can clearly understand if we don't mark on the major level. This is the bearish order block. One hour. Okay, so let's go. And we are also gonna cut this as a short clip and use it in our use it posting on like TikTok and everywhere. So if you see, this is the breakdown and logic behind the trade we took on Sunday, and we captured $7,000 fall in Bitcoin. So this is the breakdown. So let me show you the chart, and this is the 1 hour order block, bearish order block at this zone, and there was a liquidity sweep when market gave a sharp fall. Okay. So today I'm going to give you the breakdown of the trade we captured on Sunday, the $7,000 fall in Bitcoin we captured. So this is the breakdown of this trade that we took, and we shared in our Telegram community also. So here we can see on 1 hour time frame there is a bearish order block, and we have a liquidity zone also marked. Like this is also a liquidity. If the market breaks this, it can grab liquidity from here. So this was our point view, and market gave a fall from this zone, and it became an order block. And after that, market went tapped the zone. It was consolidating the whole Friday, and on Saturday also the market came this area, tapped the zone, and gave a fall. And we shift to the 15 minutes time frame now to see, and here market when tapped the zone, it took the liquidity also. If you see this point, this is the liquidity market took, and it was a liquidity sweep here. Market took the liquidity of all the sellers from here, like, and then I'll do this again also. Sorry guys, we have to do some stuff. So today I'm going to give you the breakdown of Bitcoin. So today I'm going to give you breakdown of Bitcoin trade we took on Sunday, which we captured $7,000 move, and also shared it with our Telegram community. So let me give you the breakdown of this trade. Let's go to the charts, and here if you see on 1 hour time frame, we saw 1 hour order block, bearish order block on 1 hour time frame as the market hit the resistance. How many people are watching currently? We have like why are we not getting views, guys? Please share it with your friends, your trading friends who are watching other people and not getting any value. We are going to provide you value, guys. You gotta watch the stream and it is going to be great. Till then I can show you like this is our TikTok account, guys. Make sure you subscribe, follow our TikTok account, and this is our Twitter account, and we also post here daily, so you can connect with us on Twitter also. We post here like all the educational stuff like which can help you to understand the small points in trading. Okay, so let's go to the Bitcoin now, and I will give you the logic behind the trade we took on Sunday, where we captured $7,000 straight fall in Bitcoin. So as we see on Friday 20th November, Thursday, the market took a resistance from the previous order block here, and let me open the brush so it will be easy. So here I'm going to give you the breakdown and logic behind the trade we took on Sunday, where we captured $7,000 fall in Bitcoin. So here if we see on 1 hour time frame, the market took resistance from the previous order block and then gave us a fall from here, and afterwards then market consolidated, like slowly came to this area again and grabbed the liquidity here. Okay, so I'll go on 15 minutes time frame and it will be easy for me to make you understand. So market came at this point. This was a 1 hour order block, bearish order block, and market came here and break this. It's a little liquidity sweep, like very little, but it is a liquidity sweep. So market took liquidity from here, gave us a minor fall, and then afterwards on 15 minutes time frame, market gave us one more order block, another fair value gaps. So this was a major fair value gap there when there was an imbalance, like a big candle on 15-minute time frame of $500 something. So when market consolidated the whole Saturday, and on Sunday evening it came to this area, tapped our zone, like this little tap into our zone, and if we move to the 5 minutes time frame, how we took entry in this. So when market tapped the zone on 5 minutes time frame, market showed a selling, like we got first confirmation, like market, if the market wanted to break it, it would have not take resistance or something like that. Market would go and then give us a straight bull move, but here we waited for the confirmation. We did not took entry like blindly or something. We waited. We were planning for this from Friday. So when market tapped 15 minutes fair value zone, it gave us a 5-minute bearish candle. We waited for another 5 minutes confirmation, and when market gave that confirmation in the third candle, we waited for the third candle also. So let's go like this. So the third candle was an indecision candle, like inverse hammer kind of candle, but there was no support in the favor of bull, so the market would not go upside. So we waited for it to get below this zone, like this was the zone. If market crossed this area, we'll plan a sell trade. So the market crossed this area and we took our SL at the high of this fair value gap, above the fair value gap. So we took entry and market consolidated for like here, if we see from our entry zone to this zone around 4 hours, and after that even on 4 hours it consolidated in same zone. And then when market this was our first area, like a internal change of character. It's an internal change of character. So we planned to cut our trade to 50%, like book 50% of the profits as market come like on this area and trail SL to break even. And the SL was trailed here to break even, and we booked 50% of the position here. And then our second target and the main target was this area, this zone of the 90,300. So when the market came to this area and we were about to book all the quantities, but I had told, like I was sure, like if the market breaks 91,000 level, there's no major support that could bounce the market back. So if the fall will come, it would be a sharp fall. So we saw like at the 15 minutes, then market was like really fast breaking this on the 5 minutes time frame also. If we go at this zone, so on 5 minutes time frame also, the 5 minutes candle was like really good candle, like a really sharp fall candle, like no did not give anyone entry or like anyone to exit, like plan their exit or entry. So this was the 5 minutes candle, and we cut our position like around 30% more here, and we were left with 20% positions here. And after that we hold it, and we trailed our SL like with every candle. We put our TSL above the candle high and then trailed it. So if I'll tell you like how we did. So if the market showed like this is the selling, we trailed our SL to here. Next candle above this candle, third candle above this candle, fourth candle above this candle, and the market consolidated this area. We booked another 10% here, and we were left with like last 10%. So if we wanted, we could have cut it here, but I was like not sure that the market would go back from like do a V-shaped recovery or not. But I wanted to like hold risk at 10%. Like we made profit in 90% position. It was just 10%, so we could have hold the 10% position. So the market break this, and then this was a now became a resistance zone. Our market tapped this area, and our level was to capture $7,000. Market tapped this area, we captured $7,000, move in the Bitcoin, and then market reverse and then gave more fall. So we are not here to capture all the move. Like if we wanted, I could have hold this till here to this zone, but no, I don't want to. Like I trailed my positions only 10% trail, to the extent like how much I had patience to capture and everything. It took like, if you see, it's around, I'll show you, 24 hours of patience in one single trade. Even if you see, even if you are trading, when when you trade, you have no patience. Like you just enter the trade, get some profit and cut it out, but afterwards you have no patience to hold it for 24 hours. So that's how things work. The game is of patience only. You have to patiently wait for your setup, and if you are planning the setup for few days and you're seeing like, yeah, this is my setup and this could work, and you take a risk of small amount, what will happen? This, it will hit SL, no worries, it was your setup. Small SL doesn't like give you decrease in your confidence, or doesn't like demotivates you. It's, if you took SL on your setup, it's fine, it's a good trade. But if you like over traded and took SL like anywhere without any plan, no plan, without plan you are entering the markets and taking SLs, that's not good. So and after that we captured this and exited the trade. We did not trade on Monday because there was news, and Trump was about to speak something, and there was like major news. So I avoid news trading until or unless I have some plan or it is my setup. So even if you see like market tapped the 4-hour order block, and even if we like, this is also a support zone, so we could have planned an entry here. This is a smaller order block. If we see from here, this is also an order block. Market tapped this zone and reversed the position. Like it reversed, it made an inverse head and shoulder, it reversed, and no pullbacks, nothing, just clear reversal, and Bitcoin is also going in a zone. The way we planned it is here, and we expect it to fall a little bit till this level, 91,000 level. So this was a trade, this is a trade we took, this was our entry. On a quick note, I'll give you, like, explain you, and let me explain you, like, quickly, like how we planned the trade in BTC, that where we captured $7,000 move in Bitcoin. So let me give you a quick overview and logic behind the trade we took in Bitcoin on Sunday, where we captured $7,000 fall in Bitcoin. So on 1 hour time frame, there was a bearish order block at this level, and 92,500 level. And when market tapped the zone, market grabbed the liquidity, a minor liquidity grab from here. And then we shifted to lower time frames on 15 minutes time frame, and market gave a, like, really fast candle and made a 15 minutes fair value gap for us. So I waited for market to tap this area, and we planned an entry if the market showed us confirmation in selling. So on 15 minutes time frame, we marked the fair value gap, and on 5 minutes time frame, we planned the entry. So market, like, tapped the area, then next 5 minutes candle was of selling candle, the third candle was of selling candle, and we waited for 3 candles, like 3 5 minutes candle, a 15-minute candle for the confirmation. So the third candle was an indecision candle, and we placed our trade below this line. So if the market crossed this line, we'll enter the trade. This was a plan, and market, like, crossed this line, we placed our limit order, and when market crossed, we placed our SL above the fair value gap, and we waited and we holded the trade. And I'll show you, like, what was the plan between the trade, what was my psychology and my plan in between the trade. So on 15 minutes time frame, here was a change of character, and I was planning to exit 50% of the quantity here and move the SL to break even. And when market tapped this zone, we cleared out the 50% of the quantities we were holding, and trailed our SL to break even, and then we holded the trade. And our next was this 90,200 300 was our target, where we would have exited all the position. But I also told in the group, like, if the market falls below 91,000 level, we can see a sharp fall. That was because there was no major support on below 91,000 where the market could sustain. Even if you see, these are the minor supports. These are really minor supports, and market would not respect them if there is a sharp fall. And market was consolidating from Friday and Saturday. There was no big moves. So I was expecting a move on Sunday or Monday. I was not sure it will come on Sunday, but I was planning this. So when market came to this zone, our 90,300 zone, we exited 30% more of the quantities, because here we were planning to exit all, but we exited because of, even if I show you the 5 minutes candle, the market gave a really sharp fall. So we do not have time to, like, exit all the positions. We were, like, trailing. So the market came to this area, we exited 30% more positions. So total we were 80% out of the trade, 80% profits book, and the last 20% I trailed it. And my trailing, I'll show you how I trailed the position. So if the market break this level, all I did was, when market gave this fall, I trailed my SL above this. Then this candle above this candle, when this candle of selling above this candle, SL was above this candle, and the next candle SL above this candle. So when the market even if the market wants to reverse or goes against us, we have secured like good amount of profit and we have a trailing SL above the candle, so it would not like harm our profits or give us a like really goes our where our position will go in minus or we can incur a big loss. So we trailed it and market did not tap our area, so it was consolidating and then it gave us a small fall, and we were still holding, like we cut 10% here, so we were left with last 10%, and this area became a support now. Sorry, this area became a resistance zone now. So when I was sure like either this area the market could like take a sell, or like from this area we can see selling, and this was also fair value gap. If you see, so this was also fair value gap on 15 minutes time frame. I'll show you. So here you see this is a fair value gap on 15 minutes time frame, and market tapped this area, gave a fall, and we booked at $7,000, like 83,000. It was, yes, 84,000 dollars. And when Bitcoin came to this, and we did not plan to hold because it was already 24 hour. We were holding this trade, and it took a lot of patience to see all the fall, consolidation, and then again fall. So yes, this was a trade. This was the logic behind the trade. And after that, we took a break. We enjoyed the weekend, and on Monday and Tuesday, and even today, we did not took any trade. So we are just waiting for market. Like there was a news also where Trump was about to speak something, so we were not sure it would go in the favor of the market or not. But before he started speaking, we could see already the rally had begun. So it was like when Trump speaks, it's already decided what is going to speak. An institution buy and sell in the market. So it's no fun trading. It's just gambling. You just predicting like, oh, the like it can go in this position, so let's short the trade. Oh, it can go bullish. Like let's plan buy. Even if there was a order block, even on 1 hour time frame there was a order block. It was a 4 hour time frame order block, but market tapped this, and it was a setup. Like we could have waited for confirmation and entered in the trade, but it could have reversed. The market is giving sharp fall, and we cannot trust the market when there is news. And even when the like, to be honest, when the Trump is speaking, we cannot. So this was the trade. This was the logic behind the trade, and then we were just leaving it like that, and we were just chilling on the profits and everything. We did not take the trade. We did not look at the markets. Just chilled, like enjoyed the weekend, enjoyed the national day of UAE, 1st and 2nd December. There was like really great environment here. The celebration, how they celebrate, it was amazing. So just give me a second. And this was a trade. It was amazing, like, and I did not expect it. $7,000 fall, but if you hold, if you cut positions on time, trail it, and not always set and forget and miss out the rally. So it's just you have to like stay calm, be disciplined, and eventually you will start seeing the results in your trading style. And now if we see on Ethereum chart, Ethereum is at the selling zone also, and we can see a minor sell off before it rallies to the new highs. Like I can expect a minor, like it's my expectations, so not anyone else. So we can expect a sell off from this zone, and maybe I'll tell you like from till what point we can expect a sell off. So here if we see, if this is also a fair value gap, like there is a big candle and it has not been filled. So this can be a zone where market can come and tap in this area, like from here or like from this zone, and then move, because this is like an open zone. The market has not tapped this area. Like even if you see, there was sell off and then market gave a bullish candle same size, bigger than that, and cover this area. So market has now left this space, so market will come at this area, fill this gap, and then rally. And this is not a support anymore. We can see from on 15 minutes time frame. This is the time frame alignment. You have to see the structure at bigger time frame and then plan entry at smaller time frame. So if we go at this level, so this becomes on a smaller time frame. This is our zone, and we are looking for some places where market can take support, and then so on 15 minutes time frame, this is an FVG. On this place, this is also fair value gap. And even if we come this can this is an order block here. And if we come to this point, okay, this is an so we can expect to move from these zones. Like these are the zones in Ethereum on 15 minutes, like the market, from where the market can move on one time frame. This is the zone. Okay, so we can expect move from these zones. And market can come tap in this area and then move, but for sure the market is going to fill this place, fill this gap, and then move. So let's see if we can plan a small trade here. And let me give you the analysis of gold also, guys. Let's go to gold on daily time frame. Let's start from the daily time frame. The market is near all-time high. So if we mark, this is the all-time high. Okay, and also on we know, like now this is the all-time high and market took support from this zone, and now it's slowly moving towards the all-time high. And on 4-hour time frame, here we can see, let's mark, so this is a bearish order block, and this is a fair value gap here. And market is close to this. This was also fair value gap, but this is a smaller, and market has already filled that. Even if I mark and show you, market has took liquidity and it is like inverse fair value gap, so it's not valid anymore. So this is the fair value gap, and if market, okay, now we come to this point on 15 minutes time frame. The market needs to break this zone and then tap in this area. because there's liquidity up here and market will gap the liquidity here, and then we can see a small sell off because market respect these zone. In bigger time frame they respect these zones and we can see sell off. So just a second. And also we have posted new video on TikTok and YouTube where you can learn, and definitely it is going to add value to you, so check that out also. And the link is in description. I'll post that in wait a second, I'll post the links. I'll share that link. So these are the links, guys, for Telegram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube. And you guys can join from here. That it is pinned. And let's go. So guys, join the links below. It's really going to give you great analysis and everything on Telegram. Join fast, and if you want the link of the broker, it's available in Telegram. That is going to give you VIP benefits and better brokerage fees, trading fees, like very less trading fees than any other brokers or exchanges. So if you want to know about that, join our Telegram link and I'll share everything over there regarding the broker and exchange I'm currently using, which is really smooth. And currently they have an event going on where you get 100% loss protection, like up to $1,000, and you can definitely get 100%. If you are a beginner, it's good for you. Like even if you trade with $100 and you lose that, which we are not going to lose, which we are manage risk and everything, and if you lose, you get 100% refund. They have low trading fees right now, and also currently if you trade on spot, it's zero fees right now, and futures like really reduced fees. So definitely it can help you. So check out the link in descriptions and join. And it is really good broker that I've come across. All the meme coins that are listed here, like really good. You can even trade the meme coins that are not listed on other exchange here, because they give priority to all the coins also. So where you can have potential earning, like really good earning potential in on that coins, and when you get early access than others, it's a leverage for you guys and benefit for you guys. So you guys can just easily trade and make good amount of. And why people are not liking the video? Even if you're watching, we have few concurrent viewers, and why are you not liking, guys? You want to like educational content where I'm teaching you how to be expert in trading and gain financial freedom. So BTC has given a reverse move, and we can on smaller time frame, let's see if we can plan some entry. From this zone I can see like a minor rejection. Yeah, see, it's a good zone for rejection, and it's a bearish, smaller bearish order block, so market can come tap this zone and we can see some sell off, and we can plan a small scalp trade here in this zone. So we'll wait for market to give a confirmation, and this is also good area for sell off. Let's wait for market to give us a confirmation, and if we get some confirmation we can plan an entry, small entry here also. So here you see the market is moving from this side. Let market close the 1 minute candle and let it come below this point, and we can plan some smaller entry. Okay, market is taking rejection from this area. rejection. So yes, let's plan around wrestle above this zone. So this is our entry, and we planned this trade on live with you guys, and let's see how it goes. This is our SL, $100 SL, and we can see around 300. We are planning 1:3, and let's see till where we can plan to cut some profit. Okay. Why it happens with us, like today it's happening very much. Whenever we take entry, the market goes against us. Okay, going great. So we can see an upside from this zone. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We have put our stop loss, we have a planned entry, and we have marked clear levels, like these are our levels. So let's see how it goes. No FOMO, no curiosity or nothing like that. Just trade to the plan, stick to the plan, and if market breaks this zone, we will cut some positions here and trail our stop loss to break even. And this zone is going to be our first target, and we will book like around 80 to 90% of the quantity here, or even 100%. It depends upon you, like if you want to hold till 10% till this zone or not. But I think we will cut like around here, like this. But the market has some different plans for us. And this is the exchange I'm using currently, guys. This is like a really good exchange, and we have everything. Spot fees currently 0. I'll show you like the VIP benefits currently that are running. So currently so they have launched some new VIP benefits, that if your trading volume exceeds some particular amount, you are going to get rewards from them. That could be like in USDT form, or in coupons or everything. So you're definitely gonna get rewards with your trading volume, and they have like really low fees. And currently there's 0 fees on spot, and as well as 100% loss protection is currently going on. If you sign up with our link, you get 100% loss protection, that if you trade around, and if you lose around $1,000, you get 100% refund. And it is up to $1,000 only. So if you lose 1,300, 1,200, so you get $1,000 refund, and you have around 200, $300 of loss. So if you are a small trader with small capital, and here we hit our SL. So if you are small trader, we have today we are I don't know why our trades are going against us. So we'll just wait for this level, and if the market does not respect this level also, the we are going to not trade today and just talk with you guys like how's everything and all. So let me tell you about the L bank benefits. Why it's doing like this? And now if we buy plan on buy side entry, like if we trade for fun for buy side, and it's definitely gonna reverse. It will go in selling. So we were talking about they have exclusive benefits for like a VIP event going on where you can trade, and if you exceed up to a certain volume you get these benefits. See, now it has made double top. We'll not take trade until we get some confirmation. We'll take a limit order, okay? And the amount will be order triggered. This is our SL now. And this is the last trade for today. After this we are not going to trade, and hopefully the market has made double top and it's a rejection zone. And we are planning till the same this area only. What the the market is actually playing with us today. When we enter the trade, guys, if you see me entering in sell side or buy side, if you want to trade, take reverse position. You will definitely make profit with that today. Because if you see, I take trade in sell side, market goes in buy side, and if I take trade in buy side today, market goes in sell side. So it's like go opposite, go in opposite direction, trade in opposite direction. And they have really good fee discounts currently going on. Custom gifts, online offline exclusive events, dedicated customer service you get, and yes, you get to win multiple benefits, like you can have a chance to win USDT when you trade and hit certain volume, and you get a chance to win USDT also. Oh, it's a limit order. Okay, let it run. And if market breaks this zone, we're gonna make this trade break even. Okay, it's a good selling candle at 5 minutes, so we can expect a fall till here. Let's see how it goes. Firstly, let it close below this, and we'll plan a 1 minute to close. And okay, it's let's let this candle close, and we can plan, and we will do our SL to break even. And it's currently 1:1 already, so just let it close, 30 seconds to go, and then we'll definitely put our SL on break even, because now it's enough. Like now I cannot test the market again and again, and market is testing my patience today. Like even if I trade on buy side, the market goes on sell side, and I take trade in sell side, the market goes in opposite direction. So let's let it close. Okay, it closed. Let us, like, this is on break even. Now we are in break even, no loss, risk free, 1:1 completed. Even if you want, you can book some quantities here. And now the market will reverse and hit our break even point. Okay, going great. So this is the trade now. Waiting for it to break this zone. And let me see. No, it's not coming at this level right now. Yeah, it's far. So maybe market is, see, it took us out and then again. Crazy Bitcoin, crazy. Thank you so much, Bitcoin, for kicking us out. Hmm. And now it will again show us selling. But we managed to get 1:2. Okay. Managed to get 1:2, guys. So it was complete good trade. But market is not in favor and it's testing it today. So I guess you should like avoid right now, because we should have a clarity first. Like if the market rejects from this zone, we should have a confirmation of 1 hour or at least 15 minutes confirmation in selling side if you want to plan a trade and sell. But otherwise, if you want to go long, wait for market to cross this area again, because market has grabbed liquidity here. So this is the liquidity the market grabbed twice. So we can wait for it to come in this zone again, because the overall trend is right now, maybe it's bearish like on the bigger time frame. But if we see on like 1 hour time frame, from the downside it's like it has took a good support and now it's a like turning into a bullish time frame. And it's a change of character. If the market breaks this zone, it's a change of character. So we can see a change of character, market goes up, do a little pullback retracement, and then we can see towards like crossing $100,000 in Bitcoin again. Well, now I am going in opposite direction. We'll open long trade and put SL below this point. And now see if the market will go in our direction, not in direction. So see, I'm just showing you guys that market is not currently in our favor. It is going against us. And it can be a W pattern if it wants to go in our direction. But no, the market will not go in our direction. Hmm. again SL about to hit. Thank you so much, Bitcoin. See, now the market is in our favor. And we have been streaming now for 1 hour 38 minutes, and probably gonna stream for 20-30 minutes more for today. And tomorrow we will go with 3 hours of streaming. So currently this is the Bitcoin chart. Let's see, it's a bearish candle at 15 minutes time frame, and it's closing in 3 minutes. So maybe we can expect a sell off, because the 5 minutes candle also closed like a hammer. So here you see, maybe we shifted our SL to break even, so that could be the reason, but we were following our plan, so not a big deal. We'll make it again, so it's not a big deal. On Yeah, we can expect it to come till here and then move upwards exactly as we planned. Same as we planned. Everything went same. Okay. And we managed to enter at this zone and capture this. Crazy. It's going crazy right now. Everything is going good. So let's see like how many people are currently watching. It's currently like I guess two people are watching continuously and only one like. Guys, please make sure you like to the stream. So what are your views in the market, guys? Let me know what are you thinking. Like what's the next move Bitcoin can do? Is it going to do? Mm-mm-mm. I'm just looking at the charts, like seeing what the market is doing, and it's doing like nothing. It's just consolidating, consolidating. And it's making a pattern W, but it will eventually go in selling right now. So we are not sure that how the market is currently moving. So this can be the view right now. We can on top more like this. So wow, it's making crazy. The market is on smaller time frame is just confusing. It confuses you like really and on the bigger time frame, if you go to like at least 1 hour, you can see like yes, the market is now. Let me clear these things which we don't need. Like this is the zone market has took reversal from, and on bigger time frames we can expect a little bit of like a sell till this point, and then after this market can grab some liquidity because this area is like open right now. It has not been tested right now, so the market can come and tap in this area, and then it will move to new higher highs. Yeah, this is the area. This is the major fair value gap and also the golden zone which market can come and fill. So let's see how it goes. And on 1 hour time frame, this is the zone. Let me see. Yeah, so it can come like this. $1,500, $1,600 movement, and then it can move back. And we have total currently 2 people watching the stream, 3 now, and it's going really great. So whosoever has joined, just drop your hi in the live chat so we can get to know who's the guy, and welcome to the stream. Or the market can take major, like this is also fair value gap. If we see, so the market can has taken liquidity also, so we can see a little bit of like up movement, and then market can take rejection again. So let's see how it goes. We are currently not trading anymore. We just traded like, and trades were not in our favor right now, and market is currently testing us out. So it's better not to trade when the market is not in the right direction or it's not treating you right. And there will be days when you place a trade and market will go in your direction. Just wait for your setup, stay disciplined, stick to the plan, do not overtrade or get big stop losses. But and everything else, it's going really great. On smaller time frame, the market has taken support from the 1 hour fair value gap, and on 5 minutes time frame it is coming to take support. So yes, this can be the view. Yeah, so we can expect a little bit of movement, because I won't say anything. See, when I say something, the market goes like in opposite direction. So okay, we can expect somewhere around this is our confirmation, this is our SL, $100 SL, and yeah, we can plan like 1:3 trade here. Guy, what the hell just guy, amazing guys, amazing, like what was this, like crazy. And this was a trade, we took the trade, and amazing, straight single candle and TP hit. Okay, markets do reward you when you stick to the plan. That's what we say. When you are in doubt, zoom out. Like you were confused, I was confused, the market is not giving us the right direction. We zoomed out at the bigger time frame and we saw like there's a fair value gap at 1 hour time frame, and when we shifted it to like 15 minutes time frame, we see the market has already breached it and took some liquidity, and then took support from here. And on 5 minutes time frame, market took support, went high, gave a little pullback to our golden zone, and then it was about to move with the big straight move, like where we planned. Like this was our SL, and the market just rocketed, like amazing, just single candle and boom, TP hit. And I'll show you one thing, guys, how much we made this in trade. Let me show you. Welcome. So okay, so here you see, guys, $1,250 in single trade in a single candle, and that also very good trade. So yeah, just patiently wait, stick to like the higher time frames, and look for the opportunity at higher time frame, guys. And now I think the market will go and tap the this zone can be tapped. Okay, going in our direction. So this is what I say, when in doubt, zoom out. Look for the entries at bigger time frame. Sorry, look for the market direction at bigger time frames. You will get clarity about the market, and plan entries at smaller time frame. And it's going, still going, and we can expect till here. So let's see, we can expect it. Okay, it's already, our trade is 1:3, and we can expect maximum till, for us, for a scalping style, it's 92. And trail your SL also, guys. Keep trailing, and that's what makes you a good trader. Secure as much profit as you can, and make your losses very small. And a rejection, okay. So yeah, it's good. We booked one. Okay, so this was our SL, basically 100. 1:3.5, and it was great. You saw just in one candle, great TP hit, and that's why we say always look for the market structure on bigger time frames. As we switch to bigger time frames, we saw at 1 hour time frame there was a fair value gap, and it has been tested many times. And on 15 minutes time frame, we saw it has been tested, like took liquidity also and tested again, and there was a big candle after that, like twice. And on the third time, we look for the gaps, and it was a golden zone also, and we planned our entry at golden zone. And the next candle, you see, we took an entry on the confirmation, and here we go, TP hit in 2 candles. And now see, crazy, the Bitcoin is behaving like crazy. And now I can see like a sharp fall from, like if this breaks this level, I can see a downside move till 91,800 or 950, somewhere around that. So better to not overtrade, just chill out. And yes, if it breaks this level, so this was our, this level, I'll mark the another level. Okay, market tap this level, and took, if we look closely, and gave us a little liquidity sweep from here also, like just a minor, like this. See, this is what we are talking about. See, took liquidity, just a minor liquidity, tap the zone, crazy move. And in this move, I'll show you how much we made. 1254, and crazy move, guys, crazy. And now the market is going, I guess the next candles will be very crazy. Like the volume has just entered, like see the volume is coming, like crazy volume is coming. And see the volume candles, guys. And this is where it is, the retailers are trapped, and the institutions make money like this. And there's no, like, I can expect the next candle to be like really big bearish candle or the bullish candle, like breaking 93,000, somewhere around that. So it's like just calmly take trades. Let's check the stream, like how it's going. And gold, we check, like this is the zone it has to be break, and this zone also. So when markets break these zones, so when the market will break the zone, we can see an all-time gold going to all-time high. But now it's consolidating, and this is the range. This is the consolidation range, took liquidity and took support from here also. Yeah, so this is the support market took, and this is the view in gold. If we go on 1 hour time frame, yeah, market is consolidating, and just in this kind of market, try to take small trades. Like don't plan for big trades, just small trades. And so this is the, if the gold, if you can see, like gold, in gold you just take small scalps, like not plan for big moves. Like even if you see in the 15 minutes time frame, it, like one candle is around 180 pips. So see, if you take a trade here, like on resistance, and you place SL on this, like on confirmation candle, just place SL above this, it's very big, and you take TP here, the market will first hit your SL and then move. Like see, if it will take your SL and then move in that direction. So currently, just until you have a clear direction in gold, avoid, like take less trades in smaller quantity and just scalp in gold. And I guess that's it for gold. And then Bitcoin is going crazy, no clarity. So on 5 minutes we can see a formation of a bullish candle, but market can behave in uncertain way. So it's better to currently also stay away from trading right now and just focus on improving your skills, building a better mindset, because these are the market. If after a like big move, the markets give you like a break, like where you have to let the markets breathe, give you a clear direction, and then trade. And also guys, make sure you check out the links in description. We have a Telegram account for you guys where we are building a community for everyone, and where we post market analysis, our views of the market, where you can learn about the market and everything. So it's join. We are going to build a discussion community also, where we can discuss like what are your ideas about this trade or particular setup you are currently seeing. So that will help everyone to understand, and also make people understand like who are struggling and who are currently learning and they want to discuss their problems with someone, and you are someone who have faced some problems, so you guys can discuss and help each other out to understand. So that's it for today guys. I guess I'll be signing off. It's We have done around, I guess, it's 2 hour 30 minutes of streamings, and so thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the descriptions, link in description. Connect on social medias with me, where you can see like my daily content where I show. So let's go. Thank you for watching. That's it for today, and see you guys tomorrow, and with same energy but with good setups and definitely good results. And today the market was not in our favor, but it gave us few pretty good trades. And that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you guys tomorrow, same time, 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you.